it. Thank you, sir, for sharing good content for us.
Okay, thanks, Naga. Okay, you can switch off the video, Yashwant, that's fine. So, hi everyone, good morning. And might be for few of you, it's a good evening because we have someone from Australia time zone as well. And we have someone who is a late in evening, like midnight. So, Priya, what is the time for you?
It's 12 o'clock in the night.
Okay, and Areli, what is the time for you?
It's 2 p.m. afternoon.
Okay, so someone is just on the going to be bed and someone just had a lunch. So again, good morning, afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Again, I'm happy that my batch have three time zones now. And welcome back in today's class on the day 4. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about ServiceNow capabilities, and today we are going to be start deep into the ServiceNow. Before I start the class, let me give you a very clear instructions. Today class is all about your teamwork. If one person is not able to do the work, other person will not able to perform his or her activities. Okay, so it's don't come to me, Atul, can you help? I will not help anybody on this particular part. Okay, it is your responsibility to follow with that person and get a things done, not me. Okay, because it is a teamwork. Now let me share my screen and come back here and let me take a note. And I'm sending a link here and I'll say that what to do with this link. Okay, don't worry, as of now, nobody will open and start watching it. Sharing my screen now. Full screen. Okay. Where I got this one, yeah. Fine. So now how to start in ServiceNow? ServiceNow provide a free learning opportunity or free learning platform that is called the PDI. Let me okay. ServiceNow provide a learning platform that is called the PDI, and PDI stands for the Personal Development Instance. What is the meaning of the instance? Anybody? What is the meaning of an instance?
Instance nothing but environmental.
In instance, nothing but
Environmental. PDI environment.
okay. But in general, what is instance? Anybody?
It is a workspace for
Workspace is something different. Okay, but anybody else? So instance means if I go here and I open a new tab, this tab is an instance of its browser. So instance means a platform where every user can log in and can work. Okay, so that is the meaning of the this thing instance. And when I say personal developments, you need to be go and need to be registered and need to be request for a new PDI instance. Okay, new ServiceNow instance. I share a video which tell that how to get a PDI. Just an overview, you have to go to the site called developer.servicenow.com. You have to be login because I already have access. So I am not logging, but if you don't have a account, you will get option called this thing like join or something like sign up. So you have to sign up and there is nothing much information required. So don't worry that Atul, what should I put? Don't ping me, just put what you think. It's a good one. So you can register it and then when you log in, so if I show you something here, When you log in, you will see a page like this, and you can get option like request an instance. Because I already have an instance, so I'm not getting this, but you will get a um, uh, option called request an instance. When you request an instance, it will take 5 to 7 minutes, and then you will get then you get a link something like this. I'm sharing it. It will be like dev xxxx dot service hyphen now.com. This will be your personal development instance link. You will get a username will be for every PDI is an admin, and you will get a password. Okay. It is a mix of passwords, so you can log in and it will ask you to change the password, then you can change it. Okay. And today who will take the homework? Uh, Pratik, take the homework for today. Okay. So the first homework for everybody is just to watch the video and request for a new PDI. If you already have a PDI, then good. If you don't have a PDI, please request it. And don't share the password with me. It is your PDI, you have to be take care. Okay, so you can go to the video. Just make sure when you get a PDI, please check that your role should be admin. Might be the possible case that your role will be app AES. So I'll show you that what you have to do. If the role is not admin, then go back here, click on the change user role, and then you have to be changed admin. Because if but nowadays people are getting this as a user, so we don't want this user, we want admin user. Change it and then save it and use it. Okay, so this is a first homework for everybody to request his or her PDI. One thing to tell you important, if you will not use your PDI for continue for within the 24 hours, it will go in the hibernation or offline. Okay, so it will be go in the hibernation or offline, but you can wake it up. But if you did not use your PDI completely for the 10 days, then service now take it back from you. Okay, service now take back it from you. Clear everybody till this point, because this is a beginning. This is important for everybody. Clear everybody? Good. Now, second part, when you get a PDI, you have to be logging like this. And log in. And everybody should be able to see like this. A home page will be coming like this for everybody. If you will not have a user admin, then this page will not come. So to get this page, you have to be logged in with the, make sure you have an admin user only. Okay. Now, what is the next point I want to be discuss? Don't worry as of now that Atul, what this image called, what this option called, what this called. We will discuss it, because as I said yesterday that I want to give a homework for you for the weekend. So what you have to be do, we are going to be pick up a topic called update set. Just a high level we discuss now. Okay. If you have a faith on me, just do what I'm saying as of now. Update set means, okay, let me put a question. How many of you in your life did the packing either you are moving from your house or you are shifting your house or you're traveling somewhere. Might be a backpack, might be a briefcase packing, might be a box packing. Yes, everybody do. And if
Yes,
you're
sir.
traveling, yep, traveling, right? So when you're traveling, you do the packing in a briefcase. You put your clothes, shaving kit, makeup kit, outfit, shoes, etc. And then you go to the another place, you open that briefcase and you start using that stuff, right? So in the same manner, when we talk about the instance, if I speak from the customer perspective, okay, every customer has minimum 3 instances, means 2 to 3 instances, I will say. One is called the def, development instance, test, and prod, which means if you mix, if you do the development in this part, you need to move your changes to the test. Now, if you want to be, if you're shifting your house, you cannot shift your clothes or your house by keeping the things in one in hand by hand and then shifting it. You do the packing in the cartoons or in the bag, in the briefcase, in the poly bags, and then you shift it. In the same manner, any development which we do in our instance, that need to move to the test instance. Now the question ka matlab, but we have only one instance. That is what I request you to be have your instance as well. After 15-20 days, I will use one of your instance and then we do the two things: update set movement and integration. So I want everybody must have a PDI. So we have dev, test, and production. So work will be done in dev will be moved in the test, testing will be performed, and if all good, it will move to the prod. And then prod is something which is be used by the end user. Now, if I say you're using e-commerce website, might be anything, Swiggy, Blinkit, Uber, Ola, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, any site you're using it. And after a few days, you see, oh my God, new options are there. That is a production site, which is used by you. But in the background, the people do the work, they update it, they test it, and they launch it for you. So production is like your final exam. Dev is like your class test. Test is like your half yearly exams. Production is your final exams. Okay. So this is sequence that we need to make the changes which we're making in our instance. We need to move it. And to capture these changes, we use a concept called the update set. So update set is a container which contain all the changes you are doing. But when I say all the changes, means only business logic, no data changes. Pratik, second question. You guys need to be
Yes.
go and search in Google or anywhere what is not captured in update set. Now I'm clearly saying the days are gone when you can take the service now as a easy. The tough time is start now. So you have to be read it. You have to be study it. Okay. So now what I will do, and everybody need to be do. One more thing important. Everybody will use my PDI for any type of exercise. If I give any homework, you have to do in my PDI so that I can keep a track who are doing the homework and who are not doing the homework. Now Priya is confused. Atul, your PDI, how we can access. So today topic is about user management, which has three topics: user, group, and role. Okay. So another, as I say, we keep at this point as well that everybody need to do the homework in my PDI until unless I say please use your PDI. Okay.
Okay.
And please don't be more smart. Don't change anything until unless I tell you. I know few of you know the service now a little bit more. So don't change. Atul, can I change this image? No. Everything we will do step by step. But do the homework what I'm telling. Okay, so we are going to be discuss a topic called the user, group, and role management. One more thing, my PDI link is dev 347171. This is my PDI link. So everybody will able to access it, but in some time I'll tell the steps and then you can do it. Okay. Now ServiceNow says, not ServiceNow says, any organization, any product, sorry, organization, not organization, any product. If you want to be used, any website you want to be used, you create your account. Might be you can take example of Myntra, Flipkart, any website you use, you create an account. In the same manner, to access ServiceNow, we need a user. Now, when I say user, there are mainly two type of users. Mainly, I'm saying it is not limited, but I'm saying it's a mainly. One is called the end user. A user which use the product or use the services or use the portal to order that service or the product is an end user. Like Pratik orders some food from the Swiggy. He's an end user. End user will not have any role. No role assigned. Okay. Then the another user is called the fulfiller. Pratik order the food from the Swiggy. Out of 4 items, he got only five. Out of 4 items, he got a 3 item only. He go to the Swiggy app and log an incident. Now, someone is in the background who need to be working on his incident. that user is called the fulfiller. The user who is going to be work on the incident change problem request, who will update your records, is a fulfiller. And in ServiceNow, fulfiller have the main and primary role is called ITL role. So going forward, if I say guys create a user, create an end user, it means that user have no role. If I say guys create a user who has a fulfiller role, fulfiller, give a ITL role. These are the mainly two type of users we will discuss now. There are more, but we will discuss only these two. Any doubt, question? Anybody doubt, question, clarification? Go ahead, Sachin.
Fulfiller in nothing but ITL role,
Wait,
sir.
Naga, wait. I said raise your hand, then ask the question. Sachin, please go ahead.
Yeah, so basically ITIL role users are like service agents we call upon. Right?
Yes. So you can say these are the service desk agents. Correct. Clear, Sachin?
Yes, Atul, my doubt
Okay.
is clear.
Good. Good, Shriram.
Sir, the user ID which are been provided by the service now, it will be assigned as a Dave and the number behind that, or we can actually edit that as well. Like we edit on the email or any account we edit. So same
You
like that.
mean this one?
Yes, sir.
No, it will be only the number. And every number will be different for everybody. So if you request, might be your number can be 6 digit, 5 digit as well. Some other number will be there.
So it's been assigned by the service now.
Yes.
Team, right?
Yes. And we can't change it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Pratap.
Yeah, so just one question regarding the role. So there are right now two roles. One is we can say fulfiller and one is the end user. So for end user, there is no role like SNC intern or something, or is just it without role
It is SNC internal by default. But
by default?
when we
Okay.
when we speak, we say that he has a no role.
Mhm.
Because without any role, a user cannot access the system. But end user don't require a role, which means it is a free of cost.
Mhm.
But ITIL role is a licensed one. So you have to pay for the same.
Okay.
Okay.
So by
But not
default, SNC intern is there, right? We can assume.
yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, Naga, go ahead.
Sir, fulfiller role or ITL role, both are same, sir.
Fulfiller is a persona. ITIL is a role. Persona means that what type of user they are. So like few of you are developer, then you have a developer persona. But to do the development, you need some role. That is what we can give. So uh, end user fulfiller is a persona, but ITIL is a role in ServiceNow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Understand.
Go ahead, Vikram.
Sir, which version of ServiceNow we need to select in PDI?
Beautiful question. It was in my mind. I was just coming to that. Take a Yokohama as of now. Latest patch 5. Okay, because it will give you option. Sorry.
No, sorry to interrupt. I was saying Yokohama is getting selected by default only now. No?
Yes. I guess only one version is showing that. Yeah. Okay, so everybody will take a Yokohama patch 5, patch 4. Any patch will work, but take a Yokohama only. Go ahead, Ramna.
Sir, by default, currently we use Yokohama. We can go back to the back instance of previous one.
No.
Only upgrade a project.
only upgrade is possible. If you want to be previous version, you have to be release the instance and then get a new one. But ServiceNow never ever recommend to lower down your instance.
So for example, in an organization, we are working on a Yokohama project. But they release Zurich. We can work on Yokohama or Zurich.
So see, if you talk from the organization perspective, then you have to be upgrade your systems. So Yokohama to Zurich is an upgrade, not a downgrade. You're
Yes,
going
sir.
to Y to Z, not to Z to Y, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
it's your customer, depend on your customer, that do they want to be work on the latest version or they want to be okay with the lower version only. So we will have a
Content.
topic called upgrade and clone. Then we'll discuss this part as well.
Yeah, okay,
In depth,
thank you.
that how the upgrade can happen. Okay. Yes, Sachin, go ahead.
Actually, this is a follow-up question to one the previous person asked. Let's say as a developer, we are developing an application in Yokohama release, and then we will be upgrading to the next release as when it is released, right? So is it backward compatible, or do you have to change the features or any aspects of the application we have developed in the previous release?
See, it depends. So when I say you have iPhone 14, you want to go for iPhone 15, what you see? You see the features of iPhone 15, right? What
Yes.
camera, what AI, what look and feel, what big size screen. It means you're reading the release notes. If you think that you need to be update, only then you will purchase a new phone. Definitely few people just buy for the fashion or the show off. But if you read the release notes, then only you update it. So in this case, as you're building your app in the Yokohama, and now you want to be go for the Zurich, so you have to be see that what new feature are coming here. Do you want to make any changes in your app as per the latest release or not? So these things are something which is development best practices, which you have to be think. We have to be see when you're upgrading your when you're building your app and you're upgrading it. Might be service now you are building some app by using the out of the box table, but service now introduce a new feature in that table. So you have to be take care of that feature in your app as well if something similar you're using it. Okay.
So in
So
that case, we do have to modify the previous
previous
application that we built in the previous release.
I'll not say don't say the previous application. You say that you have to be upgrade your application as per the latest release features.
Yeah. That's
Yes.
what I mean.
Yes. So it depends that. So in the house we have a renovation. What is the meaning of the renovation? Like my parents or your parents build a house 20-30 years back. That time there was no good technology, but now there's a lot of technology. So when you renovate your house, what are you doing? You're coming to the latest features, right? No, dad, it is something new. Let's have a this type of lamp, electric lamp, or this automatic lamp. Let's have a dishwasher in the house. Let's have a automatic water washing machine. So what is this? You are coming to the latest features available in the market. Might be you think, no, Atul, my full house need to be renovation. Let me make it down and then I'll start from the scratch. Up to you. If you think, no, I have to just make few changes in the kitchen only, do that particular part. Okay, clear, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now I'll do one thing, or what not we will do one thing. So we're discussing about the user and the role. Group I will come. Now, important point. If you want to be note down with pen paper, you can note down. First thing, when you log in my instance, after getting your username and password, you have to be click on this. Sorry, not click on this. Click on this. Click on this and click on this plus icon. What I'm doing, everybody need to create a update set. Go in the globe, open it, click on the plus icon and this. And everybody need to be use the same naming convention. So what the update set name for you? Your first name. So for me, I'm putting LNG and the last name should be batch 18. So like Abdul batch 18, Sachin batch 18 underscore, Naga batch 18, Ramna underscore batch 18. And click on submit and make current. What this mean? That now I am doing, I want what changes I'm doing in my system. I want to be captured in this particular container. So when you shift your house, you have multiple boxes. One box contain your kitchen stuff, one box contain your shaving, this is makeup kit, one box contain your clothes, one box contain the books. So these are the boxes. So now everybody need to be create their own box. Pratik, make sure you note down this thing that everybody create a update set with the same naming convention, first name underscore batch 18. Okay.
Okay.
And then click on the submit and make current. When you do that, do you notice that update set name has been changed now? Earlier it was global and now it is LNG batch 18. Let me change the name. Batch 18. What's showing 2? Might be someone is already there. Or let me do like this. This is only for me, not for you. So for you, why it's showing 2 again? Let me see. Let me delete this too. Now it's fine. Okay. So you will be creating a update set with the name your first name underscore batch 18. Okay. And you need to put in the parent this batch name, this parent name. So like if Abdul is creating, Abdul will create Abdul underscore batch 18 and put my update set name in the parent. So what will happen? I can see that how many people created the update set in my PDI. So I can see in the child update set. So this is the first part of this exercise. Now second part. Go to all, search for the user admin. Click on the user. Now one thing important, how this thing work. This is a list of our class participants. Everybody name is there. Abdul, Akbar, Aneri, Bhavya, Chandu, Gaurav, Hira, Jogendra, Krishna, Manish, Naga, Pratap, Pratik, Priya, Pradershan, Ramna, Ravi, Sachin, Shriram, Tony, Weber, Vikram, Ujjwal and Yashwant. I will create an account for Abdul. Abdul will create an account for Akbar. Akbar will create an account for Aneri. Aneri will create an account for Bhavya. Which means, and Abdul and Yashwant, you need to create an account for me. with the name LNG. Okay. So this will be the sequence you need to be used. I'm putting the chat window, Pratik, for your reference.
Okay.
And this is totally a team exercise. If this person is not creating the account, here don't follow up me, follow up with Gaurav. If Priyadarshan is not creating the account, Ramna, you have to follow up with Priyadarshan, not for me. Everybody should have a username and password to log in my PDI by tomorrow, before the tomorrow class. How to create a user? Go here, search for the user admin, click on the user, click on the new. And what will be this? The naming convention. First name is user ID is Abdul underscore batch 18. First name Abdul, last name batch 18. This is the naming convention. Rest. No need to be do anything else as of now on this particular part. Click on save. Then go to set password. Generate password. Copy password. Save password. And now Abdul. Okay, I'll change this, correct the name. Abdul, please log in into my PDI. Your user name is Abdul underscore batch 18 and your password is please Abdul log into my PDI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you create a user and set a password, you can see these two will be checked, tick box. Password need reset, which means Abdul, can you share the screen?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Please. You're sharing your LinkedIn ID. No, not service now. You say dev. You need to be use my PDI now. This exercise need to be done in my PDI. And my PDI
Yes, yes.
is dev 347171. Let me send this information as well, Pratik, so that you can put in the chat window.
Okay, sir.
All this exercise need to be done in my PDI. As well as in chat, you can pick it up. Now log in. Abdul underscore batch 18. Password to copy, please. Don't show. Wait. Why? Wait. Why this window is coming? Because when we set the password, we get the option password need reset. Now you can change your password.
Yes.
Your current password, which I give to you, and then create your new password. Good. Now one thing, wait. Atul, why Abdul is able to see this, not the similar way what you are showing? A limited option, right? All favorite history, but in my screen you can see multiple options. Any reason, anybody?
Maybe because he is a different user.
What different user?
You log in as admin, but Abdul log in as Abdul.
So what happened?
You don't have any role.
The
Correct.
user
He do.
access is limited, right? So nothing is assigned to him.
Yes. Yes. So he is a end user now. Being an end user, you're not able to see multiple things here. I'll take a screen back. Shriram, any question till now? Or okay. Let me take a screen back now. Okay, good. So now what we are doing? So what you have to be do? And now did you see that this option has been removed? Because he reset the password. So everybody will create an account for the next person, and you can use the WhatsApp chat because this will be an external chat, so you can't share it after this meeting. In the WhatsApp chat, you have to be share the two things: user ID and the password to that person. Put in the group only so that everybody know that what is the progress going on. Check. Now, second part of this topic is rule. So user we created, right? Is done. Now the rule. Yes, Sachin, go ahead.
Since you're an admin, you're able to create the users. Will Abdul be also be able to create the users?
Give me a minute. I'm coming on that part only.
Okay.
Okay. Shriram, any question from your side?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'm just lower your head then. And then sorry. Okay. So now what we're going to be do, we're going to be give a role to Abdul. Because what I say, as an end user, you can only request. You can only raise an incident, but you cannot work. One more thing, which is important, you can see this interface, right? This is called the native view. This is called the native view. And there's a different view as well. When you go to the portal, is a different view. So this is a native view. So now I have to give the role to Abdul, so that Abdul can create the users, right? But ServiceNow say never ever give a role to a user directly. Take example, we have 25 people in our WhatsApp group or 24 people in the WhatsApp group. If instead of creating a group, I message you individually, then it will be too hectic for me to be maintain and run this particular training. Everybody have a question, they will come back me individually. So what I did, I created a group. What is group? Group means set of people, set of users who work for a common goal or who are expert in that particular area. So now what I will do, I'm going to be create a group. Same place, go here, user admin and group. Click new. One thing, you will not create a new group as of now. I am creating a group here, LNG batch 18, and save. Please don't create a duplicate group for the batch 18. This is only one-time activity. But what Abdul will do, Abdul will be creating a new user for Akbar and he will come here and he will add Akbar in this group. So now I'm going to be add Abdul in this group. Click edit. And I can see Abdul, batch 18. Click and save. But अतुल रोल कहाँ दिया? अभी तो ग्रुप में ऐड किया आपने, राइट? राइट सचिन?
Yes, yes.
So now you are part of my WhatsApp group. Are you able to approve any new user in the group? No.
No.
Are you able to make a description change? No. Are you make a group name change? No. Why? Because I did not give you that role. Agree, Sachin?
Yes, we do not have the admin access in the group.
Correct. So if I give a role to the group, it means all the group member will get that role automatically. So either I make Sachin as an admin in my group specific, or either I just change the settings, then everybody can make a change. So now what I will do, I'm going to be edit this group, and guys, I am giving you the admin role of my PDI. Please don't change or delete anything in this PDI. Don't install any plugin in my PDI without my knowledge. I'm giving you the admin role now. And just reload. Now do one thing. Abdul, share your screen again.
Yes.
Log out and log in back. Now log in. And now you can see Abdul is able to see each and everything which I was able to see. Now go to all and search for the user admin. Sachin, got it now? Because he has a role, he has a required role. No, click on the user. Don't do this thing. Just click on this first arrow before user admin. First arrow. Now click on the user. Don't worry, everything we will discuss. What you're clicking, everything we'll discuss. And now you can create a new user as well. Now create new. Click new. And create a user for Akbar. Underscore batch 18. Everybody need to follow the same steps now. Akbar, batch 18. Click submit. Number one step.
To select the password needs reset option.
I'll come back. Now search for the go to this magnify glass. Search it here from Akbar. Open Akbar's account. Go to set password. Step number 2. On the generate. Copy. Next to the I. Next to no. Copy. Next to the I. Next to the I, there's a paper clip, right?
Yes.
Yes, copy. And now put this password and username in our Teams chat. ठीक है? Now save it. Save password and close. Now Akbar don't have any role. Go to the all. Or do one thing. Click on the group. Let me give another way. Click on edit. Edit on the left right side. Yep. And search for the LNG batch 18. Step number 3, everybody has to be do. The LNG, yep, batch 18. Double click or move it. Anything, double click or might be you can do arrow key. Save. And now Akbar is also having a admin role. Click on the save. Okay, it will load. Sometimes it take time as well. And now Akbar is, see, Akbar having a 41 roles now because Akbar is part of this group and group has an admin role and that has been inherited to the Akbar profile. I'm taking screen back after and coming back here. Yes, doubt, question or clarification till this point. Go ahead, Priyadarshan. Not able to hear you if you're speaking.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Yes, please, go ahead.
Yeah, so
Sorry, not able to hear you, Priya.
hello.
Darshan. Good. Yes.
The homework.
Can you type it? You're breaking for me at least. Please type your question, Priyadarshan. So everybody okay with this? Agree with this homework? So now if I come back here, account created. Now Akbar need to be create account for Aneri. Now see, it will take only 5-10 minutes. And remember, other person is dependent on you. More you delay, more the next person will be get delayed. By the time Priya will wake up, she got her ID. Go ahead, please. Priyadarshan, are you able to go ahead, Tony?
Okay. I just got a little confused. I'm sorry. I'm just reconfirming. So you put your dev ID link over there, dev347171. That is yours.
Right.
So
Yes.
first thing I'll have to do. So my PDI was already created yesterday. Now
No problem.
here what I do is first I go to your dev ID and log in there,
Yes.
right, with the ID and
Correct.
password that you will give. Correct. So
That
once I have
wait. That you will get from Shriram.
Okay. Yeah, from Sriram, right.
Yes.
So once Sriram has given me the ID password, then I
Yes.
can log in and go, and then the same thing, go to all, create user, give group access, and then pass it on to the next person for me, which is Weber.
Yes, correct.
And then I just put the ID password in the group. That's basically what I have to
in
do,
the
right?
WhatsApp group. Yes. So the other person can log in. Correct.
Okay, got it.
Priyadarshan
so
still
just follow up one question here.
Good. Go ahead. Who has a question? Priyadarshan, do you have still question or you're typing it? So Priya, use your, everybody need to be use my PDI only. I told you get your PDI because there are few homework which I'm going to be give you in your PDI in the coming days. But for this exercise, everybody have to be use my PDI. So from today till this batch is getting over, almost homework everybody will do only in my PDI. I need to be keep a track that who is working, who is doing exercise or not. So our basic concept of user, role, and group is done. Now, Pratik, another question, another homework you can put it. Why it is a
Okay, sir.
recommendation to give a role to the group, not to the user? Everybody need to be get the answer.
So
That
can you
why,
repeat, please?
yep, why it is recommended to give a role to the group, not to the user directly.
Because if you give directly
No,
to the
I'm not asking the answer now. It is a homework. Homework for everybody, not today. And tomorrow there will be a class test. So get ready. A 5-7 minutes class test will be there. Clear everybody? Any doubt, question, clarification in today's homework or today's exercise? Go ahead, Jogendra now.
Yes, sir, Abdul Mail. So, our personal instance, we need to add your instance also.
In your instance,
Yeah.
no, not required as of now.
Okay. Because I have already personal instance.
No. I'm again repeating, everybody need to be create user in my PDI only. Okay. So don't get confused. Your personal instance, good, you have, and you must have, because I will give you some homework in the later days. But for today, only is my PDI. Yes, Gaurav, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, yeah.
Uh,
Tell me.
Sir, I have a question that like first we have to create our own PDI and then you gave us the update set exercise. Like we have to create an update set for the LNG batch. Like for on in our own.
In my PDI.
So the update set exercise is in your PDI.
Yes. Everything update set creation, user creation, adding in the group, everything need to be done in my PDI. Only one thing which is for you to get your PDI as well, so that tomorrow if I give some homework, you can do in your PDI as well.
So sir, to get access to your PDI, you gave us that dev341 that link,
Yes.
right? That's
Yes,
the
yes.
username, but what's the password for it?
That is the link. So you will get the username from the Chandu. He will
Okay,
get your
and
user
I have to
ID.
create the same for Hira.
Correct. Now you got the point. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So Abdul's account done. Akbar is done. Now Akbar will create for Aneri. That is, I'm saying that it is a team exercise, not one person exercise. Go ahead, Sachin.
Atul, you have already created the update set, right? Do I have to do it again?
Yes, you have to be create your update set with your name.
Okay.
This is
And make it as current.
this is my container. You have to be create your own container as well.
Okay, in your instance and make that as the current.
Correct. So when you shift your house, everybody has its own container. Your wife have your own container. Your kids has their own container. You have your own container, right? To put your
Yes.
stuff. So but
I'll
house is one, right? So everybody has to be create own update set as well in my PDI.
Okay. So I'll
Go ahead,
be
Shriram.
creating.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. That's
Yes, so
just
you have to be create the update set, create the
yeah,
user,
as such an underscore
add the
batch
user in the
yes,
correct.
Okay.
So Abdul, you missed out to create this thing update set. Please create it and make it current. Okay.
Yes, sir, I will.
Sure. Go
Yeah,
Shriram.
just to add Atul, sorry to interrupt.
Go ahead.
While making update set, we have to add the parent name same as the first name underscore batch 18, right?
That is no. Parent should be my update set LNG CSA batch 18 for the
LNG.
update. CSA batch 18
Okay.
is my update set. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Shriram, go ahead, please.
So just to recall the whole process, after creating the updates, I have to create an account for Tony. After that, I will share
Yes.
the user ID, password. Then I will add Tony to the group on the given group as you name. And then I
Right.
assign the role admin to the Tony. Then the same process will be carried forward, right?
You have to be just assign the Tony to the group. No role, because role will be inherited from the group itself.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And then Tony will do the same thing for the other person.
Okay, sir.
So update set, create user, add in the group, share the password, done.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In case if anybody is not able to log in, please reach out to the person who created your account, not to me. Or no personal chat. Please don't ping me personally. Ping in the group. I'm monitoring everything in the group as well. So if I think that it's stuck, I'll check and update. But please don't message me personally. Atul, can you fix my issue? No. Let everybody troubleshoot. Okay, clear everybody? Good. Let me stop the recording and take a quick attendance now. Yeah. Yep. Go ahead,
Atul,
Jogender.
for update set name, Jogendra underscore LNG batch 18, right? That is the name convention you are giving, right?
Jogendra underscore batch 18.
Okay.
Okay. Let me stop recording. And if you have